We'll guide you through how to log out a Gmail account from other devices on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So over time, you've probably logged into different devices and now you want to go and log one out, or there's multiple you want to. We'll guide you through this. So in Gmail, you press your profile icon in the top right. You can go down and go and find the manage button here like so. This will go and bring you to your Google account page here. You want to come down the list and you want to go and find the option for security, and you want to go and tap there like so. Then you can go and scroll down and you can come into your devices and you can find the option for manage all devices and click there at the bottom. Now you can go and see the different devices where the account is signed in. You can scroll down and go and find one you want to go and log out. I could do this one here and tap on it. Then I need to enter in my password here. You can then press sign out and confirm the decision. Wait for it to finish and you can go back and repeat that for more.